Hello, beautiful people. Thank you and welcome back to my page. You guys remember I promised I was going to show you guys how I make my tea. So this is the video. I'm going to show you guys how I make my tea. So for you to achieve that, you have to get some lime, some ginger, and some cinnamon, some tin. Yeah, so for the ginger, you have to blend it. Okay, I would prefer you blend it. So put a pot on the fire, add a little bit of water. Make sure you add everything before you add extra water to it. So this is me squeezing out the lime inside. Make sure you squeeze it before putting it inside. Then add your cinnamon and then add your tin. This thing you can buy anyone at the supermarket. So, but make sure you get the one that maybe they will draw somebody that is measuring her waist. Okay. So that is going to work for you very fine. So you can add water to it. Depends on the things you put, and then leave it on a very low heat and allow it to cook. Okay. So this is me sieving out the juice. So I'm going to add extra water to this very one, just little bit, and sieve it out again. So I want to take out some portion that I'm going to drink. So this is the apple cider vinegar. So you can add it to it. This is how I used to do it. Just add two cover cup and then drink it. So for you not to be lazy to be making it every day, make sure you make it as much as you could and store it in the fridge. So this is me drinking my tea, enjoying my tea. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.